Okay, cumulative relative frequency. How do you figure them out? So, um, so I've got the table here from what was posted in the discussion forum yesterday, and there are a total of 472 items. I don't even know what these are anymore. But so I just added up all those numbers because you need that total to come up with the percentage, right? Because it's part divided by the whole. So to get the relative frequency for this first bin, I'm just going to take the 62 and divide it by the 470. So 62 divided by the 472. And that tells us that I make that a percentage. So it's about 13.1%. You'd see that this person that posted this problem agrees with that person got. So the next one, I would take 167 and divide it by 472 again. And then times it by 100, make it a percent. So that'll be 35.4 because you look at the 3, right? 8's bigger than 3 and 5, so that becomes a 4. And then so on and so forth. So that's how you do the relative frequency. Now I'm going to do this right here in the spreadsheet just so I have the numbers here. And I'm going to do some rounding to, let's see, round. I'm going to divide this by 472 times 100. I want 0 decimal places. There, that way. Oh no, I don't want 0 decimal places. I want to match what this person had. So I want to make it 1 decimal place. So let's fill that down to get it. Now, if I want to do the cumulative relative frequency, I'm going to add up each of these relative frequencies. For the first one, it's just 13.1. That's the first one. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add here. Let me get a pointer so I can show that, so I can emphasize that. So now I'm just going to add the 13.1, and I'm going to add the 35.4 because that's the next bin. So here, I'll just come over here and crunch out on my calculator. 13.1 plus 35.4. And some people get confused when I'm throwing too much in the spreadsheet. I like to do it out by hand. So 48.5 would be the next cumulative frequency. That'd be the cumulative frequency for all the bins or all the classes less than 19 or 19 or less. I guess it would be 19 or less. So I'm going to write this, and actually I'm going to be really lazy, folks. This plus this. Now I'm just going to fill that down. And of course, when I come down to the last bin, that's all of the percentages. 100% of the data falls into this bin or less. So that's useful. Some applications be useful. Now, the business type people love Pareto charts, and how you make a Pareto chart is you're going to add up not the relative frequencies, you're just going to add up the frequencies. So 62, go back to the original 62, and then I'm just going to keep adding those up. So it'll be 62 plus 167 here. I'll do it over here just in case I don't want to. 62 plus 167. So that's 229. And of course, if we let the spreadsheet do it, equals this plus that next one down to 229. That's what I got there. And I'll just fill that down. So that's the cumulative frequency. And then if we were to make a histogram or a bar graph of this, is it a histogram? I guess it's a histogram. It's because you get your bins. So that would look like a that would be a Pareto chart. Okay. I guess I'm done. This is a long enough video. Let me know if you need help.